We have exhausted pretty much every exterior accessory for this van, but the thing that is lacking is the rear lights. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your rear light for a Transporter HQ sequential LED version. It's going to be awesome. I just want to take a moment to say thank you to our sponsors, Howden's Modified Van Insurance. That's right, A-Plan are now Howden's. They still do exactly the same in that they will insure your van from the time you buy it until you completely convert it into a camper van and beyond. And if you want an exclusive rate on your next policy, please mention Combe Valley Campers and they will sort you out. So we've been waiting a long time for this. And it's just one of those jobs we haven't got around to, even though it takes about 5 minutes to do. This is the red clear sequential LED rear tail light for a barn door VW T6.1. Make sure when you place your order from Transporter HQ, you ensure that you've got the right one for your van, because we've had that mistake made before. So make sure it's for either a barn door or tailgate, and it's exactly the right one for your model of van. And if there's any problems, just give Transporter HQ a call and they will guide you in the right direction. Very easy to do. Case of undoing a couple of screws, unplugging some plugs, putting the screws back in and giving it a test. Let's do it. First thing you're going to need to do is locate the two screws that hold the rear light in place. And to do that, you open your door, be it barn door or tailgate. And you'll be able to find the screws right here. Now, depending on what year, model and version of van you've got, these might be a Phillips head, they might be some form of torque screw. In this case, they are a Phillips head. So I'm literally going to undo both of those. They may come out with your driver, they may not. So once those two screws are out, you want to pull the light away and give it a swift bang in the outside direction. And there we go, catch your screws if they drop. And there we have it. The light locates onto these lugs right here, and you just need to push the light off of it. Then you go ahead, unplug your light. And swap in the new one. So, get your new light, plug it into the connector. I can do this one-handed. Make sure it clicks into position. Make sure you locate the wiring so it doesn't get in the way. There's enough space behind the light to ensure that nothing gets tangled. Locate this lug up into the point on the light, or this lug and this lug onto the points on your light that need to fit up to it. And then where the lug is, give the light a swift tap or bang. That's located into place. And then screw your screws back in. Go ahead and do that for the other side and give them a test. And it's that easy. 4 screws in total, 2 plugs, swift bang with your hand, both off and back on again, and you have those beautiful sequential LED tail lights. And they look way more attractive than the last version. I hope you'll agree. Have a look at the link down below where you can purchase this rear tail light. And if you like the look of this build or any of the other parts you've seen on this van, please have a look down below at the description or up in the card, and you can see us build this entire van from scratch with my wife. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of what we do, please go ahead and subscribe and also ring the bell and you'll be notified of any of our new videos coming up. See you then.